So we've arrived, Newport News, Virginia, tomorrow, Mathews High School.
The destination is on your left. 9889 Buckley Hall Road. Arrived.
I guess I gotta find out who Christy Henderson is. Teacher of the Year. Well done, Christy. Thank you for being a teacher. You touch hearts and change lives. So when I was originally invited to come here to Mathews High School, it's local law enforcement that contacted me and is sponsoring my visit here. So meet Miss April Edwards, investigator, or is it instigator?
Instigator.
Edwards.
I've requested counselors and admin faculty to be present.
Miss Edwards is responsible for bringing me to Mathews High School. Hey, can I have a badge too? And so like we could just stop people and just, police!
That might violate their constitutional rights.
We better not do that.
Well, kids today, they're invincible. They think that, smoking weed is no big deal. They think that popping pills is no big deal. They think that, sexting and showing their bodies, it's their body. They can do what they want with it.
Well, first of all, they got to set the expectation that everybody, this is not going to be any good. It's not going to, but it's not here to fix everybody. If you can get one, it's worth it.
I'm hearing a lot about that, the expectation from the kids coming in the assembly. This ain't going to be any good, this is going to be stupid. So we're going to have fun. We'll see what they have to say after the assembly. We just finished 2 hours, Mathews High School, the middle school came. These kids are straight up awesome. Had a blast. Absolutely incredible group of young people, staff members. Now we're gonna spend the whole day just meeting with some kids and doing teachers and parents later. Had a great time. And so right there, counseling office, spending a lot of time here today. But I'll tell you, super proud of some of these kids coming forward, sharing their story. And I think what's really important about this is getting these kids on the school radar and taking care of their needs. All right, so we're not going to go to the middle school right now. One of the parents have come in, so we're going to address this situation and then hopefully get down to the middle school as quick as we can. Entitlement. My friends, I think it's important that you understand the world owes you nothing. You get out of it what you put into it because you missed an opportunity. And the success today was we connected with kids at their level. And when we did that, well, the result is you had a lot of kids wanting to come forward and talk. I wish I could share with you how awesome the day was and what we had to do. And I think we're going to have some din-din with the sheriff. Is that right, Instigator Edwards?
That's right.
Boom! The sheriff's in town.
Look, you got some athletes.
Open my door.
There you go. Do you need the handcuff?
No, I don't need to be handcuffed. She's crazy. No, but we need to turn on the lights. Woo! 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 Are we eating breakfast? No.
No.
We didn't really travel very far to get here for dinner.
No,
Didn't
we
really
did
get
not.
to see much of the community.
Well, we can see the community when we leave if you like.
That's right. We can have a good turnout tonight. Typically, if it's 20 minutes before a program and you have 15, 20 people and you get like 50.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, that's a really good sign. Look, you even got some of your students sitting up in the front row.
They don't want to miss it.
Mathews, Virginia, we're done. Great school, great community. You guys rock.
As a school administrator, it's very difficult to always find the time to say the right things or to do things to motivate your kids. But if you have time and really care about kids, you need to invite Jeff Yalden to your school. Just spending the day with him today, I saw lives changed, kids' attitudes changed, parents are now thinking about things that maybe they never thought about before. So make a good investment, not just in your kids, but your community. Get Jeff to come to your school, because I promise you, you would want him back the next day, the next week, the next month. He promises it, he delivers. Lives will be changed. You need to get Jeff in your school.
I wonder if she's even going to say anything about, like, did I do a good job or not? Or is she just going to talk to the kids? You going to say anything nice about me?
I said I want to say a message to the kids.
I know, but what about, I need to be validated.
Okay.
Who say they motivate, but you live motivation. So, hey, you got my vote, Jeff.
At least one person will say nice things.
And Jeff Yalden is the best.
What?
I said it. Jeff Yalden is the best. Get it?